Li Wu Fang. Bai Wu Fi. Let's finish what we started back in the mountains, Fang. Today, you die. Kai Boo! Kai Boo! Kai Boo! Kai Boo! Kai Boo! Kai Boo! Whoa, could you maybe use a different kung fu sound? It just sounds like we're saying Kai Boo. Really throwing off my chi right now.
It does kind of sound like we say Kaipu.
You know what? Okay, you just use a different kung fu sound. I use a different kung fu sound. So let's finish this. You say I die. Okay. Hiya! Hey ho! 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 Stop! What is this? A Sleeping Beauty? Hi ho! Sound like the seven dwarves going through the mines. Just choose anything, all right? Don't match me.
Yeah, you're right. You went with high, so I thought I'd go with hold. Check this out. I got a good one for you.
Hiya! To the one. Let's go. Totally random. Move. Lee. Move. Lee. Move. Move. Lee. Move. Lee. Move. Lee. Are you serious? Muli? Kaipu? Hi ho. Hi ho. Muli? You know what? No. I'm out.
No.
Hi. 5. Stop it, Li Wu Fang.
You can see me when you see me.